Hi guys, welcome. Let me know if you can hear me. Hi guys, welcome. Okay, everything is working. Awesome. Yeah, thank you guys for joining me on this live stream. So I will go here through the Bitcoin chart and will show you what I think what's gonna happen here today. So today I will not upload a video, that's why I do this live stream for you guys. So sorry here, so actually you can see me. So yeah, so I will go through Bitcoin, Ethereum, also a little bit through Cardano. Yeah, I see here already some people joining, amazing. So I see here Snapdwell, Helmut, Bender, Simply Human, Fabi. Ja, werde ich machen, Fabi, keine Sorge. So sorry for my German here. Yeah, amazing. So just let's get here to like 100 viewers and then I will jump directly into the charts. So just wait here a couple of seconds. So I will always be here in the chat, guys. Don't worry. Okay, 30 people. Okay. So yeah, maybe then let's get started here. Oh, oops, sorry. What was this? Cancel. Oops, sorry guys. Oh, why is that not working? Oh, sorry. Okay, why is that not working? I have here some technical difficulties. Really quick, I have to fix this. Okay, so this is how I fix this. I'm sorry, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Let's get here into the charts. So here in Bitcoin, I found here something that is potentially dangerous here for Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, we have seen here over the last couple of days, so I will go to this chart for this, that Bitcoin was or is forming here still this downwards trending broadening wedge. And we had seen here in the past, when we had these broadening wedges, that they actually broke it to the upside. So we had this here. We also had the same situation here, falling broadening wedge, broke to the upside. And now we are again in one of these downwards falling broadening wedges. So, but this time I believe it could be different than the times before, that we actually only might come up to test this or step through it, but then get rejected and drop all the way down. So, and why I believe that could be a possible scenario is that we broke here the golden ratio, the 1.65, the 0.618 at 48,000. So, and we can see here that we got heavily rejected from this golden ratio, and now it's acting as resistance. So, and that is, in my opinion, a really big warning sign. That is one of them that I'm looking at right now. So, and yeah, Bitcoin has to close today at least a 1 hourly candle in the golden ratio to change my stance here, that we in the immediate short term will continue to go here into higher prices. Then on a higher time frame, I saw today something, and that was for me the most disturbing. Yeah, there's the chart. So when we look here at the weekly chart, so Chris from AMCrypto, my friend, he was saying that a couple of days back that he believes that we are here and that we will see another run up like this potentially. So, and the problem that I have with this is that the candle, the weekly candle that we are forming right now is looking really ugly. So that could be a huge problem for Bitcoin if we close the weekly candle like this, because that would mean that we form here an evening star candlestick pattern, this here. So, and by textbook, that's a topping indication and a reversal indication too, that we change the trend, and that would mean we will roll over and will drop. So now the question is obviously how low we would drop to the downside. So, and yeah, when we are looking here at some support resistance flips, then we see we could drop here to $40,500. That would be the first level where we could drop to. And the level under this, so that would be here, $35,000. So we could drop into this box here. So when we go and we make here a zone out of it, so we could drop here into this zone. So if this weekly kind of stays as it is. So, and the other problem that I have with the weekly chart is, so when we're looking on a stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI was at the moment where we got here this red candle that Chris was talking about, and then got this run already overextended. So the stochastic RSI was overextended, and we're seeing the same situation here right now too. But we see also that the stochastic RSI, the blue line, which is the trend line, wants to cross over the red line, which is the signal line, and that is a sell signal by textbook. So, and that is yeah, a huge warning sign for me in terms of where the Bitcoin price might go. But there is actually, there's one good thing about this. There's one thing good about this, guys. After this week, we finally know where the Bitcoin price will go. We finally get direction, because right now we are kind of no man's land. Nobody knows really where the price is going, you know, so that's why we are chopping also sideways here along. So, but the good thing is, after this week's candle close, we know exactly where the market is going. So either to the upside or to the downside. And that is something that keeps me excited about what's happening here right now in Bitcoin. And I cannot wait for Sunday to see this candle closed and to actually get some directions, because based on that we can then decide if we keep our longs or if we close them and actually go short. So that is yeah, that gives us actually a new trading opportunity based on the weekly chart to take another longer term trade here, because we will not drop immediately then all the way down to 40k or even lower. I don't believe that if we close bearish this week, that will not happen. So, but over the next 2-3 weeks, yeah, potentially 2 to 5 weeks could this last, you know, so if we close bearish. But obviously I hope I can keep my longs, and I am sure you guys also are hoping that you can keep your longs, and that we are actually turning this candle green and move it to the upside. Jamfi, let me actually have a look here on the monthly close, how this is looking. When I remember correctly from last month, it looked, oh no, this looks actually pretty good. Thank you for pointing that out, Jamfi. That looks really good, but it, yeah, the thing is, it doesn't have to, yeah, it doesn't have to be that now the next candle has to be another green one here to the upside, you know. So just because the stochastic RSI is on the bottom flattening out, because look here, we had here this long period where we were flattening out, and here also a long period where the stochastic was going here along the bottom. So that can go on for quite a while before we see here then yeah, a substantial move based on the monthly. But right now the monthly is looking really good compared to the weekly. So yeah, but still I would like to see here this weekly candle flipped green to confirm that the monthly is also definitely confirming that we are going higher here. I will go quick in the chat, guys, because I see here you're writing like crazy, and I'm enjoying this a lot, you know. So let me just go through the chat here. Fabi nächste Woche in Dubai. Yes, why not? Other $50? Yes, definitely. Yeah. What's good? Daily resistance, yes. Madeira. Aussie, I was on the 4 hour, now on the weekly. Robert, thank you. From Canada, yeah, awesome. From Japan. Jiujija, or how is that spelled? I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so here on Bitcoin, we basically know what's going to happen. So when we go here back to the 4 hourly, let me go back here on this 4 hourly. We can also see with the EMA ribbon. So we are here at a really dangerous point right now, because the yellow upper string from the ribbon is always the string that gives direction where the price is going. And this string is working its way down right now. So it doesn't have to mean that this cannot turn around here. But if this yellow string has to come up here again to the top of it, then the price action has to, within the next coming hours, to come up above the ribbon again. So, and that seems to be like really difficult right now for Bitcoin, because you see that there was also another reason why the price got rejected, because the price tested the ribbon and stepped through it, and then touched also here the golden ratio, and that was potentially too much resistance for Bitcoin to break through to the upside here. Oh, 255 people here. Amazing people. Keep it up. Tell all your friends that I'm live. Oh, actually, I forgot to send it on my Telegram channel. Oh man, guys, I totally forgot this. So where is the link? Share the link. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. I want to just copy that. So let's send this out on Telegram. AMCrypto. So, okay, so now we have that also out on Telegram. So yeah, so back here to the chart. Let's see here. Jared Hoffman, yeah, no problem. Marcel, ja, alles klar bei dir. Okay, so I go here back to the chart. Yeah, so what I would like to see here, and that quite quickly, is that Bitcoin reclaims the upper level of the golden pocket and stays there and flips that into support again, because only then we will again get higher and test here other levels. So if this is not happening and we stay under this golden ratio, then we will definitely test lower levels. For now, the market structure is actually still intact, because we are still creating higher lows compared to the low here. So we are still above that. So that is technically a good indication. So, but yeah, when we are looking here on the highs, there it's not so beautiful, because we are creating lower highs here over and over again. So, and that's something that we actually don't want to see. So I will also have a look at the volume, because volume is also really important to confirm if here the move is actually confirmed. Yeah, so there is some volume coming in to push the price down. We can see that here in that red candle down here. So there is some sort of volume coming in. It is not that convincing, but it is some volume. So yeah, there is some volume coming in. So I know a lot of you guys are also would like to see some Ethereum charting. So I will now go over to Ethereum. Rawat Ramadan, yeah, hi. I will be back soon to Dubai. I just wait for my passport to get back to me. Once I have my passport, then I'm on the next flight to Dubai. Yeah, so then let's have a look here on Ethereum. So here in Ethereum, you can also see that the resistance zone that we have here from 3,281 all the way up to 3,476 is still a strong zone, and Ethereum pumped here all the way up to the dollar, almost to the dollar, to the top of the box here, and got from there rejected. So, but the Ethereum price is right now here on the daily chart still within the golden ratio. So, and I bet my livelihood on this, guys. Now listen, I really bet my livelihood on this. If we close within the golden ratio for this candle, and the next candle opens really close to the 0.65 level, then I believe that we break out of that resistance zone, and then the next target would be all the way up here at the 0.786, $3,814. So, and all in between here, from this zone here all the way up to this zone, there's no resistance. So Ethereum could just make a moonshot all the way to $3,800 technically. So, and that is also something that I'm watching right now. So once we are getting an hourly close or a 4-hourly close above that zone here, I will open a long also on Ethereum, because there's a $400 trade, so a 20% trade. When you leverage that with like 15x, it's like a 300% gain. That is, for me, that's a no-brainer, this trade. It is an absolute no-brainer to do this trade, as long as Bitcoin plays nicely along and doesn't want to dump like $2,000-3,000 at the same time. So if Bitcoin just goes sideways and Ethereum can do its thing, then this is a no-brainer to take this trade. So actually I wanted also to show you guys something else on Bitcoin. I just forgot about it, and I need the daily chart for this. So I will go afterwards directly back into Ethereum, guys. So I was just reading quick some questions there. So let me get here some indicators. So I need here the moving average. I need to copy it. Copy. Oh, come on. Doesn't matter. So I want the 50. And then I want the 202. So let's have a look. Yeah, so here we are getting now really close to a golden cross. And that is the other thing that I'm waiting on here. Let's make this color so then you see it better. So you see, guys, for now on the daily chart, that is actually a good sign right now. We are getting supported here on the 200. So, but yeah, and the 50 is coming up here. So actually, let me change the color. So you see it better here. So here you see we are really close to get here another golden cross. We are talking here about approximately a week. So in a week, we could get here a golden cross as long Bitcoin stays above the 200 and potentially moves here also a little bit higher. But like I said, the problem is we have a lot of resistance here. You can see it, you know, you can see with your bare eyes that there is a lot of resistance here just above all these candles. So, and we have to break this resistance. And when we are breaking this resistance, guys, then you better buckle up, because then we will also see a moonshot in Bitcoin, in my opinion. So now let's get back here to Ethereum. So we are on Ethereum right now. So in Ethereum, it looks for now definitely better than in Bitcoin. So, and let me know now in the chat if you actually have an Ethereum trade right now open based on my analysis that I've given you in the last couple of days. So I will just go quickly in the chat again. Many like potential bear market in September or bear month there. No, you are not too late. So it's fine, don't worry. Nick Neptune, yeah, thank you. Yeah, shout out for Texas. Gabriel, don't worry, I will go through Cardano also. Marcel, I wouldn't be so sure about this, so this can still change. So like I said, the weekly is not looking that good. Sammy, yeah, with that I actually agree. But it doesn't mean that we cannot have a last shakeout, you know. So we could still get one more shakeout to the downside, and yeah, we should definitely be a little bit vigilant about this. So yeah, so I will go quickly then also to Cardano, because I know a lot of you guys like Cardano. I like Cardano actually also a lot. So sorry, there's one level missing. Yeah. So here in Cardano, you can see we tested today. So let me break this here into a 4-hourly chart. And then bring this a little bit more over here. Let me get the numbers. Okay. So here in Cardano, what we can see here in Cardano is that, give me that we tested the 1.272 Fibonacci level once again. So, and Cardano seems to like to test that level, but I just saw here something that could be incredible for Cardano. Look at this here. Guys, can you guess already? We might hear Wing right now. And the 1.272, that is our neckline. So if we break here above this, let's see where we will get then in Cardano. So this could bring us for sure over $3, yeah, to $3.10. So $3.10. 1 second here. So yeah, so for this to actually be possible, has the next candle that we open in 1 hour to push to the upside. So, and if this is happening, then we could here really get a W pattern. We could really get here a W pattern. So, and then we only need to wait for the break of the W pattern. So that is something that I will watch like a hawk, because I have still my Cardano position here open. Okay, now it's in a loss, was earlier in a profit. So here on Phemex you see my Cardano position. So now $150 minus, but my Bitcoin position, I still have it, is 0.65 Bitcoin a profit, $30,000 approximately. Yeah, so and like I said, I keep this position open, guys, you know, so even if it drops to 40K, I will just increase my position. I will never ever close this position. I will just make sure that my liquidation price will drop so that I can keep this position. So, and yeah, guys, remember, if you also want to trade on these platforms, you'll find in the video, in the live stream description, links, affiliation links to Bybit and to Phemex. They have both deposit bonuses right now. So, and if you want to trade and also make some money with the calls that I give here, then you can use my links, and yeah, for depositing, you will get then a bonus accordingly to the amount that you're depositing. Yeah, so now here in Cardano, let's also check here actually the weekly chart. I did not check this for a long time in Cardano, how the weekly chart is actually looking. Okay, the weekly chart says we potentially topping here soon out. And I want also another indicator to confirm this. So I want the Bollinger Bands. Oh yes. Yes. So when we have a look at this, so we are on top of the Bollinger Band here. So, and usually when we're on top of the Bollinger Band, we come at some point back into the Bollinger Band. So there must be a small drop soon so that we come back into the Bollinger Band. It could be this week's candle, but for now we get still supported off the Bollinger Band. But I reckon next week we will see then a correction back into the Bollinger Band. So, but it will be not a severe one. So it could go like to 250, 260. So nothing that would now shock me in terms of here downwards pressure. So, but we most likely will come down a little bit in Cardano to like 250 and then move here up again. Yeah, because the Bollinger Band is here wide open and we are sitting on top of it. There's most of the time a topping indication. So yeah, but we still have a couple of days that we can here ride it up. So let me see here again in the chat really quick. Ada is your retirement. Yeah, that's amazing. Shoe Santa, the smaller coins, they will also then pump. Most of them, not all of them, but most of them will actually pump. Yes, so Dean Kiston, I actually think that because of the upgrade, we could still see here, even next week, because it's, is it happening during next week? Yeah, I think it's, wait, today is Tuesday, so we have the 6th is Sunday, so it's next week. Saturday, that upgrade. So what could happen, that is a scenario, is that next week's candle actually starts going higher, but after the upgrade or just before the upgrade, a couple hours before that, we see Cardano starting to dump and coming back into the Bollinger Band. So that is a scenario that we could definitely entertain here for the time being. And yeah, I would be really careful with this. I would potentially set a stop loss if I would be you guys. I would set a stop loss around, I think, 260. So if you got earlier in, cheaper than 260, then that would be for my long position. That would be my stop loss, because I would then get stopped out anyway in profits. You know, so that's why I would set there my stop loss, just in case. So, and if we go higher because of the 12th of September in Cardano, then I would around $3 or here all the way up at the golden ratio at 1.618, 165, there take my profits. So I will potentially start taking profits around the $3 mark, because we should not forget the $3 mark is right now a psychological level to break. So, and a lot of people are looking to sell there. So you should be better one of them than not, you know. So you don't want to bet against the market. We want to be smart here and trade with the market. So if a lot of people take profits there, we should partially also take profits. And guys, don't forget, we always should take some profits along the way. That's how I do it. That's how you should do it too. Always realize some profits. So I will have here a really quick look in the chat. So guys, let me quickly know, should I also go into Solana? I see some people asking for Solana. Just type in a plus if I should do some Solana, and please, not always the same guy, you know. So if I see here like 10, 20 plus signs, then I will go also into Solana. So yeah, let's wait here a second. I want to see if there are actually some Solana guys here that desperately want to see some Solana TA. Cody Krypton, it's not a problem if you bought at 280. So if it's not a leverage position, then you can do there your stop loss. Okay, so there we are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, guys, you won. I will do quick some Solana. I see that a lot of you guys have Solana, so let me just change it. This I will get on a new chart layout for this, that you get all your Solana for all the charts. So WSOT. So here we go. Wow. So let us see here, based on the Fibonacci levels, where we should actually have here our next top, and I will do this based on the weekly chart. I would like to see this from this top here. Let's see. Yeah, so what I heard was correct. I had heard this today, that 150 could be a good target. $150 for Solana. And that seems not to be far-fetched to have actually this target. So I was not so sure about this, but yeah, the next technical target for Solana seems to be around $150. Oh, sorry guys, yeah, there, sorry. So like this, let's move this here a little bit more over. Okay, now we go back to, let's see, on a daily chart, move this a little bit. Yeah, so as you can see guys, we're testing here the 1.272 again, also on Solana right now, like we did with Cardano. So, but we have also here a really nice parabolic curve. Yeah, see that guys? And also based on this parabolic curve, it looks like that we are most likely topping out at the golden ratio, because the angle is getting more and more aggressive. So, and then what we normally see, the more we go here into a vertical move, we get most likely then a blow off top to the upside. And that could be then the move to the golden ratio, the 1.618 at $147, $150 approximately. And from there we will see then the first major correction in Solana, in my opinion. So, but Solana was here on a crazy run. So I know my editor was in Solana. He bought it in March, so he is super happy. He made like 3x or 4x now on Solana. So if we only take it from the golden pocket here to the next golden one, so we are talking also about 120% from a couple days ago. You know, so if we get to $150, then within a week you could have made 120% on Solana, which is crazy. You know, just in a week, 120% if we touch here $120. So, but only to this point here where we are now, let's take here 90%. If you would have sold here at the top today at $130, is also an amazing run here for a coin like Solana. Yeah, 96%. So it's crazy. So I also want to look here on the volume. Yeah, you see here, here's major selling volume coming in. But yeah, surprisingly, Solana is not reacting that much to such a spike in volume here to the downside, you know. So it was moving here 6%, you know, with that much volume. So that is actually really incredible. So I would have thought that we see here a much severe move to the downside based on that. So I'll go really quick back here into the chat. Eagle TA. Cardano, yeah, XRP. What I think about DOT. DOT is an amazing project. I also hold some DOT. But yeah, the whole Solana thing, I actually missed that. I should have listened to my editor when he told me that he gets into Solana. I should have loaded up like crazy on Solana, but unfortunately, I didn't. So yeah. So yeah, for Solana, I would definitely target here $150 for the immediate short term, and I would, if I would be in Solana, that would be my exit for now. So I'm not saying it cannot go higher, but it looks like, on base what I see here, based on the Fibonacci extensions, and also with the parabolic curve getting here vertical, so that looks like that we are here topping out pretty soon. So it could also stop just slightly under the golden ratio. So that's something that you guys can keep watching where this is leading to. So, but yeah, that would be my target here for Solana in the immediate short term. Guys, we are already here soon coming to an end, because I'm invited, so I'm invited to meet with Davinci and also with some other people. So yeah, that was a really quick live stream here that I wanted to do, because my editor was not available today to edit my video. So I thought it's much more convenient to come online live for you guys and yeah, give you a live update instead of just doing a video today. So I might do this quite more often when my editor is not available, to just give you here a quick live update. Just let me know in the chat if you actually enjoy these live updates when I do them for you guys. Just type again, just a plus sign in the chat if you actually love these quickly 30 minutes, 40 minutes live stream updates where I go quick through all the coins and to the point. So I just wait here and we'll look here at the chat. So let me actually look here also on the live stream. Wow, that looks really nice here. No, I will not be streaming live with Davinci, but guys, I did not tell you that there is something, me, Davinci, and another person, we will do a collab. Yeah, I cannot say more yet, but there is another collab coming in the next coming days. Potentially tomorrow, I don't know yet. We will see, maybe Thursday, but there is another collab coming. Oh yes, amazing. Guys, you're amazing. Really. I really enjoy doing this, so because I really appreciate all of you that is coming here on and making this possible for me on the live stream and bringing you this content. And yeah, much love to all of you guys. So wait, I have to catch up here with the chat. My guts, so I guess you're German or Austrian based on your name. I know, and that happens most of the time when I have to edit them myself, If I have to edit the videos myself, then sometimes it can get really late for you guys until you get it. It will be in German time around like 10 in the evening. For me it's then like 11 or even later than that. The latest that I ever uploaded a video was like at midnight my time, which was then 11 p.m. Europe Central Time, So I'm sorry about this, but yeah, I'm really dedicated to bring all of you always a video, So and then I don't care if I have to edit myself 4 or 5 hours, yeah, to get a video out, So at least I have done then a video for you guys. So now let's get one last time back here to Bitcoin. I want to go here also now into the smaller time frame to see what's happening here. There, I don't need this. Oh sorry, that's actually the wrong chart. I wanted here this chart. Yeah, here, look at this. On the 50 minutes, you can actually see how nicely trapped we are here between these two lines, the two yellow lines. So it's bouncing here up and down. So now let's have a look here on the indicators. So the good news is it looks like the momentum is shifting it back to the upside based on a normal RSI, and also the stochastic RSI is getting ready to give a buy signal. So we should see here the price coming back up here. So, but then again, the question is, are we breaking through or getting another rejection? So yeah, that's unfortunately the problem right now when we are trapped in a zone like this and Bitcoin is undecisive to decide which direction it actually wants to go. What I also wanted to mention really quick, guys, before I'm leaving is, if ever somebody reaches out to you in my name, it's never ever me, or asking you for investment, you know, doing an investment or something like this. I don't have to do this, you know, so I'm not reaching out to anyone and ask to invest into something, you know. It doesn't matter on which social media platform these people are reaching out, on Telegram, on Instagram, on Twitter. It really doesn't matter. It's not me, never ever, you know. So the people that I contact, it is never about selling you anything, you know. So if you send me a message on Instagram and I answer it with my real profile, which is crypto 2_Alex, that's my only real crypto Instagram profile. If I reach out with this profile, it is really me. So, but otherwise, if somebody else is writing you and try to sell you something, it's definitely not me. So, and normally I don't even see messages from you guys when you send me something on Instagram, because I get too many of them. You know, I get too many messages. I can show it to you here. So there you can see I have 61. Oh, sorry. I have 61 requests. Want to cover the name of the person there. So I have 61 requests, and I get them every day. You know, I get every day 60, 100 requests. I cannot go through them all day. I don't have the time, you know. So I really wished I had, but I cannot read all the messages. So, and yeah, if somebody else is contacting you with my name and this person has not here 455,000 followers on Instagram, it is not me. And I will also have pretty soon the verification mark on my Instagram. Then you know for sure it's not me if it's not a verified profile. Yeah, guys, really quick again, I'm really happy to had here, let's see how many people were on this live stream. Almost 2,000 people that had watched the live stream so far. Yeah, thank you a lot for that, guys. So let me refresh that. No, better not. I don't know what's happening. If I just refresh the website, I will leave it as it is. Yeah, so guys, thank you really much for everyone that was here on this live stream. Don't forget to smash up the likes, subscribe if you are actually not subscribed yet, you know, so because I do every day a video about crypto TA, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano in general. Sometimes I take some other coins like Solana or something else that is popping up that I like to talk about. And yeah, if you enjoyed my content, then please subscribe to the channel and also the notification bell. And if you want to support what I'm doing, then you can go to the video description or in the pinned comments of my videos and then use one of my affiliation links if you want to support the channel. I don't take any donations or any money from you guys, you know, I do this all for free. But if you want to support the channel, that's the way to do it. And obviously also to subscribing to the channel. Guys, that's the end of the live stream. Yeah, thank you for everyone that was here. And you know it, you will see me tomorrow.